This is where we got off in the last video. And we want to make sure that the checkpoint is right on the link between the platforms. So first, I think I need to go into the Pathfinding agent. And let me fix the little things first. Since we have the spheres, we don't need to save the positions as a vector. So I'll just get rid of this. Okay, let me check if I get any errors. I have to change this to start sphere instead of the vector, and we get the same position. Same here. And errors should be gone. Okay. If I go back down to where the front sphere is being positioned, instead of using the player position here, I could just use the NavMesh Agent, get the off mesh link data, and then get the start position. I also don't need to skip to the next frame. Instead, I can use the similar method, except instead of getting the start position, we want to get the end position of the link. And then go through the link and then stop. I think this should fix everything. So save and go back to Unity. And if I click play and try to walk again, okay, now we see that it's right on the link, the spheres. And I'm gonna find the start walking script by pressing Ctrl T, start walking. And I can make this a lot smaller. I want to make it as accurate as possible. So 0.01. This is where we're figuring out how close are we to the checkpoint. So if I go back and play again, the AI should be getting a lot closer to the sphere before making the jump. Okay, so we just saw that it goes right up to the sphere before making the jump. We can also fix the number that we had for the height. Ctrl T, jump, platform. And I'll make this smaller, 1.5. I'm not sure, but I'm guessing the thickness of this platform is 1. I'm not sure. I'll just make this 1.5. I can change this later, but for now I think this will do. So if I click play again, the jump and the ledge grab should be a little more accurate now. Okay. I can do it again. Now let me try going from the other side. This did not work in the previous video, but I'm guessing it will now. Okay, looks good. And let me fix one more code. on the jump platform. Once we stop moving, we can reset the iteration and do it again until the AI is close to the player. So I'm going to say set the game object of the animator, set active false, which means we're turning it off, and then we just set it back on to restart the iteration. So if I go back and play again, I'm guessing we should have the AI go all the way up to the player now. So here's the first iteration, second, and third. Okay. Okay, I think I need to fix one more thing. I'm going to go back to the code, Pathfinding agent, and we forgot to change this. So I'm just going to copy paste, start position, and then the end position. Oh wait, for the target that's on the same platform, we don't have any off-mesh links. We just have the destination. So no links here, except the player here, which is the destination. So I'm going to go back and play again. And I'm going to have the player on the same platform as the AI. And if I turn on walk, okay, you can't see the spheres here because it's hidden underneath, but it's exactly where the destination is. Okay, I'm gonna try going here and test it again. It's probably gonna work. I'm gonna go all the way right to the first checkpoint and then onto the player. Right now, the AI just continues to walk because he can't get to the destination. But this doesn't really matter because later we're going to have AI that's going to attack the player if it's close enough instead of just trying to walk. And I think this is good enough for one video. I think we should now have the AI falling to a player which is below the platform. Okay, so that'll be it for today. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys soon.